Good morning students, welcome back to the online classes of KVD Academy. Now today's point is about volcano for classes 6, 7 and 8, subject geography. Yesterday I have uploaded a video about earthquake, a natural disaster. Today it is also one of the natural disaster whose name is volcano. Now I would like to clarify what is the definition of volcano. You know, volcano is a vent or opening in the earth crust from which cloud of gases, molten lava come out. You know, there are three layers in the earth surface, in our lithosphere, crust, mantle and core. There in the core there is a tremendous temperature, there is a pressure where all the rocks were converted into molten lava, and through which when the earthquake occurs there is a crack between the layer, and then from this layer a bursting, a volcano eruption occur in the upper surface of the mountain. It is just like here there is a one crater, this is known as crater, and here in this crater there is a rock materials, and this rock material is converted into lava in a liquid form, and its temperature is around 6000 degrees Celsius, through which all the materials of solid particles were converted into liquid, and it come out from this known as this lava cloud of gases, and all the materials which come out from the surface of the earth is known as volcanoes. And it creates lots of life and property where it exists, and there is some habit, there is some advantage of also, there is a merit of also. This volcano eruption, it is very fertile soil, it is good for the cultivations of cotton crops and other in the Deccan regions. So this volcano, there is igneous rock is formed from this igneous rock, which is very fertile for the igneous rock. When it's going in the process of weathering, they convert into rocks, and lastly convert into humus. And this humus is very fertile for the cultivations of crops like cotton, leguminous plants like lentils. These plants occur during cultivation years. And you know, volcano is a vent or opening earth crust from which cloud of gases, molten lava which come out from the earth surface, and when it's in a regions with prevalence, when it cools down, is converted into a black soil, which is very helpful for the cultivations of many crops for the farmers. Now we will discuss about the types of volcanoes. You know, there is active volcano, the volcano which can be active, and there is a chance of repeat again and again. Means suppose today is activated, after few days is also activated. The chance of activation of this cultivation, for example, the Mount Vesuvius in Italy, Mount Etna in Italy. These are examples of active volcano which can be active. There are no chances of extinctions, or in a dead condition, or in a dormant condition, or in the condition of sealed. It occurs. There is chance of occurrence. Suppose today is occur, day after tomorrow, or 1 month, 2 months, surely they can naturally occurring. This is very active around in the Pacific regions of our Pacific regions. This is known as ring of fires. Second one is dormant. Dormant means in a dead condition, in a sleep condition. In a sleep conditions, dormant volcano. In sleep condition, it can be occurred. There are chances of occurrence. It is chances occur. Sometimes it totally fall down, off to place, and lastly 2 or 3 days it actives. The activeness are there, but there is very little chance of activeness of this dormant volcano. But active volcano, if you compare active volcano or dormant volcano, in active volcano there is a chance to occur morely and surely it occur. But dormant volcano in a sleeping condition, it can be awake or give, first of all it gives spread out smokes. And lastly, from the smokes it converted into a tremendous lava come out from these molten scales, and it flow down in a valley areas. It creates lots of life and properties for the animals also, or for the human beings also. Third one is extinct volcano. Extinct volcano which there is no chances of occurring in the world. Its example is Mount Vesuvius in Oregon in USA, and here the Mount Dormant volcano is the Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, and Mount Fuji in Japan is an example of dormant volcano which can be occur in 1 month, or in 2 years, in 5 years, 10 years. There is very little chance of occurring here. And extinct volcano, there is no chance of occurring here. It is extinct, it is totally collapsed. Totally, there is no chances of occurring of these extinct volcanoes. Therefore, these are 3 types of volcanoes. One is active volcano, Second one is dormant volcano, and third one is active volcano. Now let's discuss about what are the uses of this volcano. Volcano materials ultimately break down weather to form some of the most fertile soil on Earth, cultivation of which has produced abundant food and fostered civilization. Here it gives us which all the materials come out from the Earth's surface. It gives us a civilization in what at that time what was civilization occurred there. This give you some archaeologists or carbon 14 dating research the material also and give us a tremendous knowledge about the past time also. And it is very important for production of food. It is soil very fertile for the cultivations of many crops. In the Deccan regions, this soil is black in color. It is very hot. It contains less humus, notice just like a river soil it contains less humus. And to produce geothermal energy, because when this volcano occurs, lots of hot water come out from the Earth's surface like a fission, which give us a geothermal energy to produce electricity for the generation of condition of light and for lights to work in a 20 kilowatts, in a 40-50 kilowatts and give geothermal energy lights. So this is a topic today we discuss about here about volcanoes. A volcano is the vent or opening of the earth crust, so it's molten and cloud gases which come out from the earth's surface. There are three types of volcano. One is active volcano. Its example is Mount Vesuvius in Italy and Mount Etna in Italy. Second is dormant volcano. Its example is Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania and Mount Fuji in Japan. And third one is active volcano. Its example Mount Vesuvius in Durgan, USA. And here is uses volcanoes materials ultimately break down weather to form some of the most fertile soil on Earth, cultivation of which has produced abundant food and fostered in civilization, and also used to produce geothermal energy. I think all of you understood. If any doubt, you can call me or ask me. Now in the next video, I will upload about next study video about earthquake, volcano. In the next video, I said about discuss about tsunami. Its main causes is time. So wait for tomorrow. Thanks. Have a nice day.